You start with about 10 to 12, about 4 ounces of any combination of dried chilies. You start by stemming them and taking out all of the seeds. Dry toast them in the pan to really get that roasty, rich flavor to them. Then you add enough liquid to just come up to the top of them and let them reconstitute at a low simmer until they're nice and tender. Now we're going to grind all of these chilies into a puree. So we're going to add a little bit of that delicious juice, and we're going to put that into the food processor with an entire bulb of garlic. So about 6 large cloves of garlic. And then we're going to take 1 tablespoon each of this really flavorful combination of caraway seed and cumin, and then we're going to brighten it with a little coriander. A tablespoon of each, which I toasted. So we're going to put all of our spices into our little spice mill. So our spices, yum. And then we're going to add about a tablespoon of smoked sweet paprika, a couple of tablespoons of sun-dried tomato paste, salt and pepper, of course, and then about a 1/4 cup of EVOO. A little acidity goes a long way. And then you transfer this to a little mason jar, and you can use it for weeks. When you're dealing with your chicken, all you gotta do is make that 1 cut and open it up. Looks like a little heart shape. If you have to pound it at all, it'll be minimal. A little salt and pepper on your chicken, a cast iron skillet, nice and hot, medium-high heat, a drizzle of olive oil per cutlet or 2, depending on how big your pan is. And we're gonna brown the cutlets. When we come back, we'll make the sauce and we'll dress some salad. We're going to take our chicken breasts out now. These are our butterflied chicken Paillard, our pounded out chicken. Now we're gonna reduce the heat on the pan way down to low. And I'm going to grate up a lot of garlic. I'm going to top these boneless, skinless chicken breasts with a really simple salad of romaine and celery. But instead of carrots, I went with fennel, which is a little sweet flavor. It'll be nice on top of the harissa buffalo-style chicken, and some red onion. The pan, I've got the heat as low as it will go. This butter will brown almost instantly, so work quickly. Get a few pats of butter in the pan. 3 good tablespoons of butter. Add your harissa paste, all of our chilies and all those great spices. And to that, we're going to add all of our garlic. And then we're going to bathe our chicken in the garlic, butter, and chili. I'm going to dress the salad with just lemon juice and olive oil. When we come back, we'll assemble the dish. Here's our homemade harissa buffalo-style chicken breast on our plate. On top of that, you're going to pile up your beautiful fennel, romaine, and red onion salad. And then we are going to top our buffalo chicken salad with smoked blue cheese.